The four.
Yeah.
The colored and the white.
The first three and the one at the end.
What flavor you want, sister?
Coconut's my favorite.
Me too.
Me?
I'm loving it.
All right. I just want you to stand right here because the sun is shining just to see what it looks like. Like, this will probably just be B-roll. Actually, you know what? Like, this will be BTS. Like, tell us who you are, where we at, what's going on.
Shit, where are we?
It's like tapas coming to get us.
Well, I can't.
He's already. They left already. I don't know.
But they are in the Bronx.
Like coconut though.
It doesn't taste.
But I was gonna say if it's not like coconut water, I don't.
It's not like coconut water.
Oh yeah, that's way different. Yeah, that's good.
It'll just be like.
So what's on top probably won't feel alcoholic. What's the bottom?
I look at it as that's strictly a proximity thing, as in we far, and an age gap thing, right? So
Yeah.
it just makes sense. They
Just. These women don't see how that look wild.
I don't know, mother.
Melt it down.
Well, yeah, but you can pour it because there's a lot over the cup. So it's not over. But I'll pour mine.
Do you do it with a spoon or do I need a straw now?
I don't know. I done this shit.
It's gonna slush.
Stupid ass nigga.
Stupid ass nigga.
Yeah.
So if I tell you not to jump off a bridge, you gonna jump off the bridge?
Yes, because you probably know that there's something about the bridge that's gonna keep me safe, and you would rather see me.
The bridge is gonna collapse.
Exactly,
Or
like.
the wooden.
Hi. Is the lens clean?
Alligator. You can't convince me there's not. Look, there's another turtle.
Where
There
is
he
it?
is. Coming up to the shore.
Oh.
You know who's gonna be happy to see this video?
So that could be fun.
No, probably not yet. When you have a more fleshed out idea and timeline,
Yeah.
you don't want to pull a Capri.
Exactly. His crazy ass.
Way to Naeem's right now. Then he said, "Y'all okay though?"
Yeah, we fine.
We're not.
what?
We're not because he needs to come and shake ass.
That little shit.
He said, "No video vixen."
It's CDLT. We out here in Crown Heights shooting a music video for Come Dance With Me. I got Aisha here, I got Richard, I got Taj here, and they were the dream team making it happen.
Period.
That I'm sexy, can tell how she move. I'm against it for sure, but I'm not scared to groove. Rocking the hips, I'm in love with her. Rocking the hips, and she ready to prove. Show me, mommy, that actually control me. Hold me, never want you to let go of me. Slowly, rock on me, babe, do it slowly. You do it right, just might get you a down, bitch. Wanna do shot like me? She wanna do shit like C. She thinks she the captain, cause I'm LT.